Are you going on vacation and you have a lot of stuff to bring and you don't know how to pack or if everything is going to fit in your luggage? Or maybe you're on vacation already and you bought a lot of shoes, a lot of clothes, gifts for your family, and you just don't know how you're going to bring it back home? Then stay with us because I'm going to give you some tips on how I pack before I go on my trips. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica with MH Divine Beauty. In this channel we talk about beauty, fashion, spa treatments, DIYs, you name it. Today is a very special day, but before, if you are new to our channel, welcome. And we invite you to subscribe down here and activate the bell so you can get notifications every time we upload a new video. Today we're going to talk about vacations. If you're planning to go on vacation and you have a lot of stuff that you have to bring, but you don't know where to bring it or how you're going to pack, well, I'm going to tell you some tips on how I pack. Before, I used to put everything in Ziplocs because I was afraid of my perfume was going to break, my hairspray is going to get all over my my clothes, and that's why I put everything in Ziplocs. So I found out that it was compacting stuff, and that gives me more space to put in my luggage, more stuff to put in those spaces. So guess what? I found something really, really nice that I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna share with you, and it's gonna help you so much if you have a lot of stuff to bring, or maybe if you're on vacation and you bought shoes, you bought clothes, you bought gifts for your family and friends, and now you don't know how to bring it back home. Okay, well, I'm gonna show you how I did it, and I hope you like it and see how I packed this time for my trip. Well, here we are. We're gonna take all these clothes and put them in the plastic bag that I'm gonna show you to save some space in our luggage. Sometimes we have a lot of luggage here and there that we need to take and we just don't have enough space. So I bought these bags, I think it was TJ Maxx, and they were like very affordable, like about $10 at the most, I think, for 4 bags. Yeah, it comes with 4 bags in it, and I never use this, so we're gonna see how they work. I usually use Ziploc, so let's see. Let's open it up. Okay. Oh wow. Oh yeah, they're very good size. You can put a lot of stuff in them. Let's use one first. See, the size is very good. I like him. I like him so far. Okay. Let's open it up. And here I have all my clothes already folded like I want to take them. Make sure they're all nice and folded so they don't get so wrinkled when you go to your destination and you open it up, and you don't want to have a lot of wrinkle and you don't have to iron anything. So here we are. Let's see. Let's put all of these. Oh, these beautiful shoes. See, a good tip is just put them one inside the other, and you save some more space. There you go. Well, let's speed it up. A little bit of caffeine doesn't hurt anybody, right? Okay, let's put a little bit more. Don't fill it up all the way to the top because you won't be able to close it. So let's see. Here. Maybe one more. Yeah. That's enough. Okay. So you have to take all the air out of the bag. So seal it up, not all the way. So when you press it, all the air that is inside the bag is coming out. So a little bit, push a little bit more. It says to roll it, but let's see, let's try. Okay, well, let's see. There you go. See, it's already compacted. Now another bag. Let's see, how many bags do we need for all of these clothes? can put a lot of them in there. I love these bags. Remember, they're very affordable. They're about $10, so it will save you a lot of space in your luggage. And you can bring more makeup, of course, or shoes. So let's see. Now, there you go. That's one, that's two. Now we need a little bag for this one that I have here. More shoes. The same thing. Close it, not all the way. Remember, you have to pull the air. And this is a good tip that I do. I put them on the floor, and with my body weight, I just press down the air so it comes out of it. And they will be even more compacted. See, all these clothes, we put in the bag, and here we are. So what do you guys think? Did you like it? I hope you did, because it's gonna save you a lot of space in the luggage the next trip. Remember I told you I used to bring my bottle of perfume in my luggage, and I was so worried that it's gonna break. Well, not anymore. I found this like about maybe 4 or 5 years ago, and I've been using them and I love them. I have like 4 of them. Any store that they sell perfumes, they have those. They're very inexpensive, like maybe $10. And they're really easy to fill up. So you just, let me see if I can open them. There you go, right here. There's one. And see, here is where your perfume is gonna come out. And right here on the bottom is how you fill them up. So I'm gonna show you how you fill them, so you don't have to bring your bottle, the whole bottle or 2 or 3 bottles of perfume. So what you do is you just take this little part here. I don't know if the camera can see it. This little part here, you take it up like this, and don't worry, it's coming back to it. You didn't break it. And the part right here, just go in there. And I took it out of the bottle so you can see how is it filling up. So all you do is just press and press and press. And let's see if you can see how the perfume goes into the bottle. See, you just press and press and press, and you fill it up all the way to the top or in the middle. So try not to fill it all the way up if you just go in for a couple days. Or if you have extra, just make sure you put it in your purse and you use it after your trip. Make sure it's closed and put it in your purse, and that's it. So that way you can bring 3 or 4 different scents of perfume. Another thing that I would like to do is, like, I don't bring shampoos and conditioners in the big bottles, or moisturizers, my creams. No, what I do, I put everything on small containers. And let me show you. I have it right here, and see, I have everything I need right here. That's it. This is my to-go bag. This is the bag that I take to the gym also, so it's kind of wet on the back, so I don't want to show it to you. But see, I have my shampoos, moisturizers, deodorant, my comb, and on this side I have my hairspray, my conditioners, my body wash. I love my body wash. It's really hard when you go to a hotel to find a really good one that smells good. So I bring everything. So this is how I pack to go on my trips. What do you think? Tell me, how do you pack? Tell me if you have any more tips. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and give me a thumbs up. That helps me so much. Have a wonderful life. Have a really great vacation. Have fun. Wherever you are or wherever you're going, just be happy. Have the time of your life. Hope to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.